Morning.
Morning, guys.
Okay, so thank you so much for joining us on this Hawaiian adventure. Today, we are doing an ATV tour at Kualoa Ranch in North Shore. So today's going to be our North Shore day. One thing that we are noticing that's kind of been an issue for us is that we wake up super early and we do things super early and there's nothing open early. If you're an early bird and you like to do things early, I suggest having like breakfast and like the coffee you like in the room, just because it's been kind of like a thing. So like either we're going without coffee and then we're grumpy, or you know, we're going without food and we're hangry. So it's like, just be aware. Even like the Starbucks doesn't open early.
It opens at 6:30,
which is not early to me.
Yeah.
But
It's 6:20 right now. We're able to time it that we could be like pretty much first online.
So that's what we're gonna do.
Head out and then be there on time.
That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go wait online for Starbucks and hopefully be in and out, because we have like a drive up to North Shore to do our tour. So that's what we're gonna do. It's the ATV tour, and we get to see different sites from Jurassic World, and 51st Dates was filmed. Parts of 51st Dates was filmed there. I know that the part of 51st Dates where Drew Barrymore keeps driving past him and he's pretending to be different people, like broke down. That part of the film was filmed on Kualoa Ranch. I'm excited. Are you excited?
I'm very excited.
Yes. We've never done an ATV tour before, so we're super pumped. All right. We're going to ABC stores because they're not supposed to be open, but they are. Maybe they're not going to let us in.
Well, they open in 8 minutes, so I'm hoping they'll just let us
8 minutes?
in.
Okay. All right. We're going to go in the store. Bye. Okay. So ABC stores was open, so we just went to ABC stores. This is ham and egg bowl, and it looks like there's cheese on top and green onions, so that looked good. And then I found taro rolls with chicken salad.
That sounds good.
That looks so good, right? It's like purple. It'll be good to try. And then of course we got coffee. They actually had good coffee here. Last time I got the Macadamia Nut cold brew, and it was really good, so that's what I got again.
I just got a hot Kona coffee, 100% Kona coffee with cream and sugar.
Yeah, their coffee's pretty good. So, and for me to say that, everybody who knows me knows. Okay, that means
we know our
good.
coffee.
That means it's good. Okay. Okay, so we're gonna eat. Look at how cute. All right, let's try this bad boy. I don't even know how I'm gonna fit in my mouth.
How is it?
Good. Really good. It's good, right?
Very good.
It's almost like a potato roll, but without the disgusting potato flavor.
I like potato rolls. It almost reminds me of one, but it isn't.
Right.
So.
Well, because like I think it's like a taro roll, so taro is like a starch.
Good?
Yeah. Alright, we're gonna finish eating as we drive over.
Enjoy the sights.
Enjoy the sights.
so let's just talk about this valley real quick, okay? So everybody, take a look at these two squares right here. 1 and 2. You guys are looking at Kualoa's fish pond. Now we have the biggest and well-preserved fish pond in the state of Hawaii. It's 800 years old and the Hawaiians built it all by themselves. But look, back in the day, they didn't have the machines to move the rocks, bless you. They didn't have the machines to move the rocks, so what they did was they lined up to this mountain and they literally did rock to person, rock to person, rock to person, rock to person. And that's how we ended up with this beautiful fish pond. In the corner of the fish pond, there is a bamboo gate there. Now they put that bamboo gate so that fish can come into the fish pond, eat as much as they could, but when they try to exit out, they ate too much, so they were too big, so they got stuck. So then the Hawaiians stood on the wall, threw out their fish nets, and that's how they caught their fish for the day. So family, you guys are looking at one of the many things the Hawaiian people are proud of. And it is a very fascinating story. So you have King Kamehameha. He basically told his people, hey look, I want to make this fish pond for our people. We're not going to get any fish for our generation, but it's going to be for our kids, kids, kids. So back in the day, he had a lot of trust, and it worked. It took 30 years to get it rotating. By the time they got it rotating, they were able to feed this whole entire side of the island. So like I said, it's one of the many things they are proud of. But we are looking at a couple things from a couple movies. So who here has watched Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom? So fast. Okay, take a look at this sign right over here. Where we're standing is where they built the helicopter pad for Jurassic World. So that's the scene where they realized that they couldn't control the dinosaurs and they wanted to leave everybody at the park. When I'm done, you can walk on the other side of the sign and it'll show you that they built it right over here where we're standing. Second, look across the fish pond. See how the trees are in a line? On the other side of that, there's a sand break there. Across the street is where they filmed the TV show Lost. So the family owns 4,000 acres on this side, and then they own 150 across the street. And then let's see, you can see. Okay, now for your last one. Who watched 50 First Dates? Hey, ready? Okay, so this is the scene where she found out about her accident and then she ran down the dock. So basically the house that they filmed at. So not the dock inside the fish pond, the dock outside. See those broken up pillars out there? That's the house where they filmed 50 First Dates. It's abandoned now, so the dock is all messed up, but super cool how we can see it from this location. About some things that we passed on our way over. Has everybody saw the bunker when we came up the hill? Yeah? Okay, that is our Battery Cooper bunker that was built for World War II in 1943. It's 7 stories, but the ranches use it as a movie stop tour. So those green buses that you guys see in front of the ranch, they're the only tour that can go inside the bunker. What we did with it, we kind of turned it into a museum. So there's about 150 movies that have been filmed on this property. They always leave us some of their props. So when you guys go inside the bunker, you guys can basically see all the movies that were filmed here. So like I said, we turned it into a museum. Let's talk about our film location. Who here has watched Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle? Oh, everybody, perfect. We are at the scene where Ruby has to do her fight dance, because remember, she has to distract the bad guys so that her friends can get the plane out of the barn. That barn house was built up over there, so if you watch the scene again, you'll see that mountain behind it. But unfortunately, where we're standing, this is a wedding location. So it was either keep the barn house or have the weddings. So weddings definitely won that one. You guys watch the Kong Skull Island?
Yes.
Yeah.
Come walk this way, walk this way. Look across the field. They left the bones for us.
Oh, cool.
Okay, so welcome to Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. Now, for those of you who didn't know the scene that we're at, I will just help you guys out, okay? So, we got the control panel. Now, remember, they had to get inside the music park, inside the control panel, to turn on the power to find the Raptor Blue. When they were in there, another dinosaur pops up. So, the way they got away from it was they actually climbed up and on top of the roof. But when they're on top of that roof, the whole entire scene actually changes. Technically, they climbed up over here. See where that red and white tower is? Basically, that's the top of the control panel. That's where they climbed out. And then when they looked up, they saw the volcano started to erupt, and then they started to run down this hill. They ran to the log that had the gyrosphere behind it. They all got inside the gyrosphere, dinosaur hit it, and then they continued to roll down this hill. Now, where we're standing right here, they're supposed to fall off on a cliff and into the ocean, but as you guys can see, no cliff, no ocean. That's how they got us there.
We had so much fun. That was so cool.
Oh my God.
That was so cool. They do all kinds of tours here, and the lady was telling us they do weddings and like birthday picnics and all kinds of stuff, and like the property is just so beautiful and just it's better than anything you've ever seen in your whole entire life. I'm gonna tell you that right now. It's just magical, and I recommend everybody do it. We did the 2-hour ATV, so we each got to drive for 1 hour, which was super nice. But
you get very dirty.
Yes, don't wear anything that you care if it gets dirty. Like, I'm seriously, don't bring anything with you. Like, all of our stuff got dirty. Our camera, our holders for our camera that we weren't even using. Like, you get very dusty, and I'm sure muddy if it's wet outside. But now we are going to head to the Macadamia Nut Farm, because who doesn't love macadamia nuts? Oh, that's so pretty. Chinaman's hat. You could smell it. Are you allowed to drink it in here? Oh my gosh, it's so good. Want to try?
Oh wow, that's really good.
This is where you can see Chinaman's hat. It's that mountain over there. Kayak or swim out to that island if you want.
Swim to that?
Yes. People swim. Kayaking's probably easier. We're not doing that because we're not. But it's really cool if you get on the island. Like, you could see people are on there right now. You could probably rent kayak somewhere along here. But this is also a park, so you could come here, relax. There's a beach. This guy looks like he's definitely fishing over here. So that's cool. It's just, everything about this place is so beautiful. Like, there's not a place I've been that's not gorgeous. Now we're at the Poi Factory, the Waiahole, I want to say it's pronounced Waiahole Poi Factory. And
there's the words that you can say. Right?
Yeah, Waiahole Poi Factory. They have really good plate lunch here, but we're coming to get the Sweet Lady Waiahole. Waiahole? I don't know. I don't know how to pronounce it. It's a very good dessert with taro and coconut and ice cream, and we're gonna try a mamake tea. Okay, we got our Sweet Lady Waiahole and our mamake tea. This has coconut ice cream, and you feel on the bottom it's warm.
It's warm, yeah.
Yeah, it has taro and like coconut. I don't know, but you're supposed to like scoop down in there. And if you look, you see it. It's like taro and coconut mixed together.
Interesting.
So good.
So you just scoop down.
Make sure you get some of that stuff on the bottom.
I got a clump of something.
So good, right?
Oh my god.
It's like warm and gooey and like it's good. Like, it's hard to explain. The texture is like chewy, almost like mochi, right?
Yeah, but it's so smooth.
The ice cream is just like slamming.
Doesn't taste bad.
He's not a tea fan. He can't be a true. This is... Perfect. It's like green tea, but with a little extra zing to it. Next, we're going to Giovannis Shrimp Truck, and we're gonna go to Mikes Huli Huli Chicken. So, let's go now.
your coconut water?
It's good.
Ice cold. That is very cold.
We secured the shrimp, and now we're gonna head over to Mikes Huli Huli Chicken, and Jose's gonna get some chicken. This is where this is. We're in
North Shore.
North Shore, Giovanni's. There's two locations. There's Halaiva, and then there's this one. A bunch of food trucks there too, and so you can really like. Even Kahuku Sugar Mill is here. There's just a bunch of stuff to eat.
It's in there.
It's in there?
Yeah.
Maybe in here? Oh, there it is, yeah. Oh, Mike's really good.
Hey guys, so we took a ride up a little more up the North Shore. We at Laniakea Beach. Alright, we figured we'd bring our food over here. Sitting in the back of the Jeep, just gonna enjoy this view over here while we enjoy our food.
Start with the rice.
Pretty good sized shrimp too, right?
It's so good. There's so much garlic flavor. I also got a side of hot sauce. I didn't want to do the whole thing hot,
So they actually sell the shrimp. I think it's called hot and spicy. It literally says on there that if you buy that they're not giving you your money back. So I'm assuming it's pretty hot. So
let's try it.
she's about to let us know now. Oh, I can smell that heat from over here. It's not that hot?
No, but it has really good flavor. It's really not that hot. So what I would do is take some garlic, dunk it in the spicy.
Good? Good.
Yummy. And you could probably put some hot sauce on your rice too.
Garlic spicy meal.
Perfect combo. They put the scampi sauce like on top of the rice too, so it flavors it. I got some mac salad too. You like this? It's good.
Oh yeah.
It's just simple. Like,
From
still no
Mike's.
bad meals. Still no bad meals, Hawaii. What's going on?
So I got the combo, which was some chicken, some Kahlua pork, and lau lau,
Yep.
and some white rice, mac salad, and it looks like some hot sauce too. I'm gonna try the mac salad just to compare.
It looks different.
It's good too, but Giovanni's is better.
Is it?
Yeah, Giovanni's has a little bit more flavor to it. It's good.
It's good, but it has peas.
It needs
And
more
no salt and
seasoning.
pepper.
Yeah, it needs.
Bite into it. There you go. Now, huli huli is like rotisserie chicken, so they cook it over a fire and like roast it on a spin thing. That's what huli huli means. Is it everything you imagined?
Some of this little pork. This also has a smoky taste to it. Last but not least, I have here the lau lau. Just pork, right?
Yep. It's usually pork. They have chicken lau lau too. That looks like it might be chicken lau lau. I don't know though. You have to try it. That was That almost tastes like it's wrapped in almost like a spinach leaf, like it's that type of green. It's really good. Okay, after the amazingly delicious lunch, we are gonna go to Ted's Bakery for some haipua and chocolate pie. We heard that's like definitely a must get, so dessert time, we're gonna go do it. Secured the goods. Chocolate Haupia Pie, Ted's Bakery. This looks good.
Yum.
Okay.
And it's time to eat.
Try.
That's good. It's good, right?
Oh my god.
Now, what is haupia?
Coconut. You'll see everything like haupia flavored. That's coconut flavored.
Which is pretty much everything.
Pretty much everything. Which is what I live for, so.
Coconut, lilikoi,
Lihimi. Guava.
what's the other one?
Pineapple. Macadamia nut. This is like my paradise because I love everything coconut, so. Alright, we're gonna take off to our next destination. We will see you there.
We'll see you soon. Alright, so we got our favorite thing in the entire world. Coffee. What's this place called again?
Green World Coffee Farm.
We're at Green World Coffee Farm. And pretty much, if you're heading up to the North Shore, it's pretty much right there.
Yeah, if you go to like Dole Plantation, it's right up the road.
2 minutes away from Dole Plantation, so.
Yeah.
I got a cold brew caramel and coconut. And she got the cold brew
Coconut and macadamia nut.
coconut and macadamia nut. Let's see.
I've been drinking that. It's good.
Ooh, that's good. So they pretty much grow their own coffee beans here. In these fields all around.
They do import some coffee because they couldn't grow enough in this little space that they have. But you can try all different types of coffees. They have coffee merch. I bought this shirt. You guys gotta see it. I love you more than coffee, but not always before coffee. And if that's not the truest thing I've ever heard in my life, that's the truth.
Gotta have that coffee.
So I bought that shirt, and we got a pound of coffee, the coconut cream, because
it was good. They let you try a sample? Yeah. We bought a pound.
You can also order online. They sell all their stuff online. She said the next most popular one was sexual chocolate. So the lady who owns the place, I guess she's really into the movie Coming to America.
That's what it was named after.
That's the lady that was ringing us up. And so she was like quoting the movie while we were being rung up. So she's really into it. We also got a lily koi bar. This is the macadamia nut brownie.
That looks good.
Does look good. We got those with our coffees for our trip home. So I think now we're gonna head back down towards the resort, right?
Yep.
I'm gonna try this lily koi bar.
Yeah, let's take a quick bite before we head on the road.
It's almost like a pie bar. It's good, right?
It's very good. Sweet. Very good,
Yeah,
though.
it is sweet. Macadamia nut brownie.
Can't go wrong with that.
Super good.
Alright, guys.
Alright, we're gonna ride back to the resort. Maybe do some pool time. We'll see what happens.
Hopefully. Can't see anything with your camera. What'd you get?
Coconut porter. Maui from Maui. It's good.
So, I got here a custom drink. I think it's called Off the Hook.
Yeah. Yeah.
I went over to the bar over there. It was like a passion fruit with guava or something like that. Something along those lines. It's a similar drink with rum. So it's very good. So right now we're gonna go into the hot tub. Because that's what us grown-ups do. Grown-ups go in the hot tub. Ulu Cafe. Got a couple little goodies to snack on.
We're gonna go feast in there.
Yeah, we are.
We have so many leftovers.
We have leftovers. Between leftovers and what we just bought, which we didn't just buy a lot.
We're about to have a bunch.
Yeah, pretty much.